Hello, it's John, your pronunciation and accents coach, and right here you can get a better British accent. GH. Okay, so we can start off firstly looking at when the GH combination is silent in words. So let's start off with the first spelling, which is IGH. And we can pronounce it I, as in the words high, night, thigh, sigh, and light. Next is the EIGH spelling. And again, the GH is silent, and it's pronounced A, like in 8, sleigh, and neigh. Neigh. Now the exception to this rule here is the word height, because height is pronounced I, although the spelling is the same. You getting it? Okay guys, so the next one is the spelling AUGH, which is pronounced or, like in the word daughter, plus court, slaughter, and taught. The exceptions here are laugh and draft, which is an R sound. You could also comment on are there any GH words that you don't know how to pronounce? Put them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. I'm producing regular videos, usually on Fridays, Saturdays and Sundays. Occasionally I produce some during the week. Generally it's those days. Okay, so that's all for me today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and all I have to say now is stay connected and over and out. Bye.